Let's talk about some irrigation solutions used in root canal treatment. Generally, we'll be using sodium hypochlorite. That's the commonly used irrigation solution for a root canal treatment. Chlorhexidine, hydrogen peroxide, urea peroxide, and some iodine solutions like 10% iodine composition will be there. So today basically I'll be talking about sodium hypochlorite and chlorhexidine, how to use it generally. So generally sodium hypochlorite which we use in our clinic practice is from 1% to 6%, but basically the used one is 3%, and generally we use it in a diluted form with saline or distilled water. Obviously, if you are putting inside the tooth this solution material, you have to be very careful that it doesn't come into the contact with the tongue or any other tissue. There are many accidents of sodium hypochlorite which can cause a lot of problem to the patient and to the dentist. We'll talk about that in other video. So the second solution which I generally use for my irrigation purpose is chlorhexidine. That is also diluted with saline or distilled water. So this you have to be very careful while using sodium hypochlorite and chlorhexidine in the same case. अभी आपने सोडियम हाइपोक्लोराइड को मिक्स करके यूज़ किया विथ सलाइन इन द पेशेंट एंड डायरेक्टली इन द सेम ट्यूब यू कैन नॉट टेक द क्लोरहेक्सिडिन सोल्यूशन ऑल्सो. तुरंत आप चेंज ऑफ कलर देखोगे. सो नेवर यूज़ इट लाइक दैट. ठीक है. If you are using sodium hypochlorite and chlorhexidine in the same case, try sodium hypochlorite first time, फिर irrigate करो properly saline से, and then again chlorhexidine का solution should be used. Again, जब आप sodium hypochlorite use करते हो ना, just be very careful while using it. एक drop भी गिरता है ना तो it's going to make a white stain on your clothes. So be careful while you are handling this sodium hypochlorites. They just act as a bleaching agent for your clothes.